Are you doing your intro?
Yeah, trying to be in it. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm actually out here with Marissa, aka Illest Evo. She's supposed to be installing some quick release pins for like her bumper and stuff. We also do have a photo shoot with an R34 GTR and a Supra around sunset time today. So we are gonna have to go back to my house, pick up the DSM, and pretty much take it out to the photo shoot. I'm gonna bring you guys along. For right now, I'm gonna go ahead and roll a quick cinematic on the install and car wash of the Evo, and then from there on, we can head on to my house and continue on with whatever's going on. Has quick release. She got the little hood harness on it. She redid her tail lights, and she washed it after like what? And her antenna after like 6 months of it just sitting. So it looks way better now.
I know.
So at this point, we're running late.
Not my fault.
We gotta go pick up my DSM and meet up with the Supra and GTR at an E85 station because I'm out of gas. So I'm in a bit of a rush. So we're gonna start heading out. We're gonna take the Evo and then my daily, and then we're gonna go pick up the DSM, and then from there head on to the gas station. So let's get going. And we have the daily. I feel like this car gets no love in the channel. I know a lot of you guys want me to build it and stuff, but hopefully soon, you guys. I do want to do a full build of this thing, turbo it and everything. I'll follow you.
I'm trying to figure out how to work this.
Work what?
My car. I'm not used to it.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm looking for the middle button.
It looks super clean in camera.
Yeah? No, I know you.
Oh god, she's a fast driver. She's a really fast driver, and I can't even keep up because I'm not turbo. Damn, she's out here causing a scene. Coming out the house. I'll put you guys on the GoPro. We're running super late. Now that I'm in the turbo car, Marissa's taking her sweet time in the Evo.
figuring out everything. Yeah, exactly.
This is the same Supra I ran on the Evo last time. You just got it wrapped like what, 2 days ago?
Yeah, I just picked it up Saturday morning.
Is this midnight purple?
Yeah, metallic midnight purple.
Man, dude, it actually came out really nice. Damn. And then we have another midnight purple, or purplish R34. Pretty clean setup, right-hand drive with a roll cage. But yeah, we're supposed to go on a photo shoot right now. So we got R34, Supra, DSM, and then Marissa's Evo out there. So I'll put you guys back on the GoPro, and let's get going. What up? We're going to the bridge for a photo shoot. We got the Supra. And we got the Evo back there. Damn, full squad right now. It's actually a really good group of cars right now. We got everything. This lineup though. Supra, how much power you make again? 700?
About 430.
Okay. Got the DSM, we got the Supra 34, got the Evo girl, and we're basically doing a photo shoot with the two midnight purple R34 and Supra right here. Alright guys, so we're currently taking some shots of the DSM, the R34, and the Supra, so I'll go ahead and put them right here on the screen for you guys. And I'm pretty much gonna end the video there. We pretty much helped out Marissa with her Evo. We came out to cruise it with all these super sick JDM cars. I do want to do this more often, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.